the ray for convex mirror. The focus for a convex mirror will be on the right side. So now a ray incident parallel to the principal axis after reflection will deviate, the reflected ray will deviate away from the focus. Similarly, a ray incident at an angle theta at pole will be reflected at an angle theta, means it will be reflected symmetrically with respect to principal axis. Then, if a ray is directed at center of curvature, if incident is directed at center of curvature, after reflection, it will retrace path because angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. This is normal, 90 degrees. If a ray is directed at focus, if a ray is directed at center of curvature, it will retrace path. Similarly, if a ray is directed at focus, after reflection will become parallel to the principal axis. The ray after reflection will become parallel to principal axis. So these are the four set of rays which I'll be using for to trace image for a convex mirror. To trace an image for a convex mirror, no, we use this particular condition. A ray directed at focus after reflection will become parallel to principal axis. No, what is this? This should be the center of curvature. So like this will be normal. If you want, I'll show the normal also. The normal will be everywhere the idea of normal should come. Okay, this for a convex mirror, the image to trace out an image. Okay, these are the set of rays which we'll be using here. So here, a ray parallel to principal axis after reflection will diverge from focus. A ray incident at pole will be reflected symmetrically. A ray directed at focus after reflection will become parallel to principal axis. Then a ray directed at center of curvature will retrace path.